a hostile home. Salty, harsh, formidable. Yet, they not just survive extreme stress, but flourish. What are their unique chemical defense mechanisms? Could their resilience be transferred to land plants? Could they be the key to food security? Phycologists and biotechnologists looked deep and hard at seaweeds available in our coastal waters. And for the very first time in India, they made a biostimulant for improving plant growth and yield.
In the modern era of agriculture, seaweed-based biostimulants has a significant place.
What are biostimulants? Neither fertilizers nor pesticides. Biostimulants are organic compounds rich in diverse polysaccharides, acids, and hormones that enhance disease tolerance and plant productivity.
Biostimulants or the seaweeds as such contain a lot of secondary metabolites which are produced in seaweeds only because it is living under very harsh conditions of salinity into several severe environmental conditions. Because of which it produces these chemicals in itself to protect itself. This protection, when it gets inside this biostimulant and when we apply it to the crops, that imparts it so much of bioactive properties.
Working with marine resources for the good of the nation. That's their clear mandate. The scientists took up intensive research in seaweed biostimulants for agriculture and plant disease in the country. Tomato was chosen. Tomato vulnerable to the stem rot disease. An extract of the seaweed, sargassum, was applied to the plant. The scientists learned that the seaweed biostimulant not only helped the plant defend itself against the rot, but also showed better growth.
तो इस तरीके से हमने पाया टोमेटो में डिफरेंट जीन्स जो हैं विच आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल डिजीज टॉलरेंस के लिए वो जीन्स एक्टिवेट हुए.
Fueled by this knowledge, the team expanded the scope, working with biostimulants from diverse species of indigenous seaweeds, some cultivated, others harvested from the sea. Extensive and systematic field trials were launched pan-India. This equipment measures the rate of photosynthesis real-time. The plant treated with the seaweed biostimulant shows a significant higher efficiency.
We got the data of increase in the crop productivity of at least 35 crops in 20 different states in variety of geoclimatic conditions. Our results were showing the increase in the crop yield on an acreage basis, something like around 12% to 37%, depending on the nature of the plant material.
Other than that, they improve the soil microbial diversity and the soil microbial population, which are very important for the whole soil and plant ecosystem.
Chemical farming, global warming, climate change, and overuse of toxic pesticides and fungicides. Today, agriculture is troubled. Cultivable land, not enough to feed the rising world population. This harsh reality makes seaweed biostimulants a significant step towards more sustainable as well as profitable agriculture. CSMCRI has invented a technology for producing liquid seaweed plant biostimulant from the abundantly available brown seaweeds. The residue that it yields becomes a source of cellulose. The simple, patented technology has been successfully transferred to several small and large entrepreneurs.
And we reached out to CSMCRI and they transferred this seaweed extract technology to us. After transferring the technology, they didn't stop there. handholding us in terms of developing our manufacturing facility, designing the product, formulating a product, and also by giving periodic inputs in terms of how we can improvise in our manufacturing process as well as quality of our product.
Seaweed biostimulants could prove critical to the nation's food security. Could the blue revolution lead to a much needed green revolution?
100%. This biostimulant is having extremely low carbon footprint, by which we are able to increase the crop productivity at a very less carbon footprint. So that is how this blue revolution is ultimately going to bring a new ecological green revolution to be ushered in near future.